Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the windows inside a program page is missing or not visible in settings, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor. Go to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows Self-Host, UI and visibility. Now we will create a DWORD 32-bit entry in the right pane. We'll name it hide inside the page. So right click in the open space, new DWORD 32-bit value, hide inside the page. Double click on it and make sure that the value data is 0 and check the base at decimal. It should be a decimal. Click on OK. Close this, reboot your system and the problem will be fixed. You will be able to view the windows inside a program page in settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.